Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to share one interesting update. Okay, so all in all we will be sharing three important updates, out of which two are good news and one is bad news for all the IT industry people. Okay, so we are also going to discuss big reason to worry, why there is a reason to worry because of TCS and Epic legal battle. Okay, now you might be thinking what exactly is Epic Systems. Okay, so it goes by the name Epic Systems Software. Okay, so here you can see Epic Systems Corporation or Epic is an American privately held software, okay, healthcare software company. Okay, according to the company, hospitals that use its software held medical records of 78% of the patients in the United States and over 3% of the patients worldwide in 2022. It was founded in 1979. Okay, so now let us have a look at the battle, okay, the legal battle. So here you can see TCS to take $125 million hit to quarter three earnings over the US lawsuit. So here you can see Epic, okay, the Epic Systems company had filed the lawsuit against TCS and Tata America International Corporation in 2014, alleging the Tata group of companies of stealing its intellectual property while it was contracted to implement the Epic's healthcare software. Now what happens is Epic is the company which creates the software, okay, but to make it customized, okay, for the individual hospitals, every hospital requires different needs, okay, they have their own different needs. So that is the reason what TCS used to do was TCS was having a contract to implement the software, to make the software as per the requirement for the hospitals. Okay, so now TCS has lost the lawsuit and TCS has to pay $125 million. Okay, here you can see $125 million hit in the quarter three earnings. Okay, so this is the largest company. Now here you can see secret lawsuit filed by US based Epic Systems. Okay, this is the exceptional item. The trade secret lawsuit was filed by Epic Law Systems, okay, against TCS and Tata America International Corporation in 2014. The company has alleged that Tata Group of companies of stealing its intellectual property rights, okay, to develop its own through it, and was contracted to implement Epic's healthcare software. Okay, so the US Supreme Court on November 20 rejected TCS appeal against a verdict passed by the District Court of the Wisconsin, upholding on the order that include 140 million in the punitive damages, the company said in the releases. So now TCS has to pay $125 million from its profit. Okay, so this is a big news and this is a major setback for TCS. Now, since TCS was already facing some kind of issue with the new projects onboarding, and now it again has to pay $125 million in the quarter three, right? Okay, in the Jan or in the Feb, they will have to pay this amount to the to that company, that Epic Systems, right? So this is again a bad news, so-called bad news for TCS and the TCS employees. Okay, the one more reason is that now this will be a negative impact. There might be a negative impact on the other software companies. They will be more concerned about the security systems and everything, their privacy concerns, and the lawsuits, and this all this has happened, right? So that is the reason this can be a setback, but definitely TCS has a very good history. They have a reputation in the market that they do not do any wrong things. Okay, so definitely TCS will overcome from this news. Okay, now the next point is that TCS was ranked #1 in Spain for customer satisfaction in the service delivery among IT and cloud service providers. Okay, so now India and again Spain has a very good connection. They have a very good type. Okay, on when it comes to building, giving products and like stock exchange products or maybe banking products. Okay, so all these things. Okay, now here you can see TCS's overall satisfaction score was 83% compared to the industry average of 78%, placing it in the #2 in the Spanish industry, up from its #8 position in 2022. So it has been increasing on and on, and this means that TCS will be getting more and more projects from the Spain companies. Okay, and that is the reason there will be again more on-site opportunities, the revenue will also increase, and a lot of good things will happen for the TCSs. Okay, now comes the new news, that is the ASX. Now ASX stands for Australian Stock Exchange, which is one of the biggest exchange in the world. Okay, like after US, China, India, and France. Okay, and the Germany as well, and the UK as well. Okay, so here you will find that TCS, okay, this is a good news, has signed an agreement with Australia's primary securities exchange ASX. Under the deal, the Indian giant will provide next generation clearing and settlement platforms to the Australian market. ASX will implement TCS banks, okay, for market infrastructure to enable the transformation. Okay, so TCS to rebuild software that ASX earlier flop. Okay, so this is a news. And one more thing. Okay, so this platform will be based on banks. Okay, so it is a good news for all the people. They might get an on-site opportunity as well in Australia, because people who are working on the banks, okay, they need to implement it. And majority of the companies like which are into security and exchange, right? So like NSE, BSE, okay, or the Australian Stock Exchange, the New York Stock Exchange, right? So all these companies, they have very security. Okay, they have a lot of secure things that needs to be taken care of, and that is the reason they all want all the employees that are working on this kind of software to be working from their own location. So that is the reason there will be a lot of on-site opportunities after this. Okay, so if you are working in any BFSI domain, then this is a good news for all of you guys. So I hope that this video was helpful for all of you guys. Okay, so you can go and you can pause this video, you can read the entire article as well. And guys, don't forget to like this video, share it with all of your friends working in the IT industry, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you again for watching this entire video, guys. I hope that you have a great day and a great weekend. Thank you.